beautiful compliment of the season. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing great. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Rosalind. Today, I'll be showing you how I achieve this beautiful and gorgeous hairstyle using this beautiful hair extension. So stay tuned and see how we got it done.
Oh, come all ye faithful.
For the hairstyle the client chose, I'm brushing this hair, okay, straightening it, all that good stuff using this brush, okay, to make sure the hair looks nice at the end of the day. Now is to section the hair, divide the hair, part the hair, whichever way you love to say it, okay? And it's more like a side slant part, if you say that, okay? And of course it's going from ear to ear, right? So I work my way one side first and then the second side. That's pretty much what I'm doing in this section.
Faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come.
Of course, to get that crispy and nice looking neat hair, we've got to apply that shine and jam to our parts, okay, and clean it up. And that is again pretty much what I'm doing on this section, okay? Just cleaning the parts, making sure the parts are looking nice, crispy, and of course clean and neat. Okay, sweetheart. One thing I must tell you is if you're looking to braid yourself or someone or any kind of thing, you have got to pack your patience, okay? Braiding hair requires patience, okay? Because it's so many things, it's therapeutic, it's so many things to it, okay? But you got to pack your patience and follow the process. Next, I'm sectioning or parting the hair again. This is back pieces, okay, because we're going for cornrow in front. And so that's pretty much again what I'm doing, just clean the parts. And now I'll begin braiding using a piece of hair extension, place it in front of her natural hair edges, and then begin crossing over and braid down, okay? We want it as flat as possible and neat. And that's pretty much it, okay? Just again, patience. It requires a lot of patience, okay? To achieving anything in life, not just braiding anything that you want or you set your mind to do. It requires patience and to follow through it as well, okay? Consistency as well. Consistency, you cannot achieve anything without being consistent. So again, just have your patience. We're going for more like a smaller, really smaller cornrow. So we're leaving out the cornrows, okay? So again, I'm using a braiding hair, place it in front of her edges or her hairline. Then begin braiding that little section that I divided. Okay, that's the same thing I'm going to do for the rest of the front, okay, that we divided before we get to the back section.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
All right, this is to encourage someone, okay? A few years ago, I would tell myself I cannot cornrow. for the life of me, okay? I will run away from cornrowing hair. Like this is me 2, 3 years ago. I would tell myself I cannot cornrow. Is it even up to 2 years? I can't even remember. But anyways, a couple years ago, I just hate cornrowing hair because each time I do it, it doesn't come out neat. It doesn't come out nice. It doesn't come out like it's not strong or whatever you can think of, okay? Not to talk of adding hair to it. Like, oh my goodness, I could run away from that, okay? I keep telling myself I cannot, I cannot, I cannot. And that is one thing that what happens to us, okay? When we keep telling ourselves we can't, we can't, we can't, and we find ourselves not doing it, okay? Because we already pronounced that, we already say that, we already affirm that to ourselves that we cannot. Whereas we can, okay? Until I stopped, I was like, you know what? Let me try this, okay? So I started playing again. That's why I have my girls, and thank God they're able to sometimes walk with me, okay? So I started playing with their hair. I mean, that's the only way. I started playing with their hair, doing their cornrows, however it comes out, it turned out, I just leave it at that and keep going, okay? I keep doing that, and again, plus my clients and plus myself. I keep doing that, and look at me today. I'm able to add hair extension to a cornrow. Again, it might not be the perfect cornrow hairstyle that you have seen on the net. That is not my problem, okay? My problem or my thing here is that I am proud of myself, how far I've come, knowing where I started and how this whole thing started, okay? So I am super proud of myself, and I know that you can actually do this and achieve that. Again, when you tell yourself you can't, that's pretty much what follows you, okay? So that's why we have to be mindful of what we say with our mouth. So again, enough of me saying that. But anyways, it's me just encouraging you to know that you can achieve anything you set your mind to achieve. It only requires patience, practice, and consistency. Now again, I'm just connecting the whole cornrow in front, braiding it down, and again, trying to make sure we get a flat um surface, a flat style, a flat cornrow, whichever way you put it, okay? Now, once I'm done with that, we're just going back to the back section, and we're gonna, of course, do the normal thing, you know now, right? Cone roll it all the way down. I think I had about 7 cone rolls at the back, something like that. Again, the front section was the main target, what you're gonna see. That's why we took our time, but the backside section. I still do try to make it look nice, okay? But again, I was doing it more bigger or large, you know, braids. Kind of again, being that we have the hair and the hook passing through it, I didn't want to make it too tight. Neither do I want to make it too small, okay? So again, you don't want to put so much tension to your hair, okay, or to your head. So that's why I make it a little bit bigger. That way the hair and the hook can pass through it easily. And of course your hair will still remain intact, okay? You'll still feel okay without having to take any kind of load, okay? So that's the key. But anyways, this is just pretty much me coloring the bag, and afterwards we're just going to go right into crocheting in the hair. I can't even talk, but anyways, you all know what I'm talking about, right? So stay tuned and let's do it together.
Gloria in excelsis Deo. Come to Bethlehem and see.
Alright, beautiful. So this is the hair extension or crochet hair that I'll be using, okay? And that picture right there, that is the same hair that we're going for, okay? The style that we're going for. That picture that you saw now is the style we're going for. And this hair, my client bought it from one of the beauty supply stores. I've tried to look it up on Amazon, but I can't find exact hair. But I believe you can use any hair or crochet hair to achieve this look, okay? Now, to pass through this hook or this hair, I just pass through the hook, just like that, okay? Then place the extension in the hook, close it, close the latch, pass it through the cornrow, pull it, and then secure it. This is me just securing it. Again, you can just pass it through and pull, just, tug it very well and not secure it, okay? But it's me taking extra step, okay? So again, pass the hook through the cornrow, attach the crochet head to the hook, close the latch and pull it through the cornrow and then secure it. That's pretty much it. Again, here it is. Pass it through the hair, through just knot it and secure it. As simple as that. And I was just skipping more like like just like I'm doing a regular boss braid sort of. So I just skipped some line. Okay, I'm not doing it too close to each other and just crochet it. All right. So I hope with this you're able to get a hang of it and try it on yourself or your daughter, whoever that you want to try this style on. Okay. And that is this hairstyle for you, right? Again, it requires patience, trust the process, and consistency, practice. And you got this. I trust you.
Whose birth the angels sing. Come adore on bended knee. Christ the Lord, the newborn King. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
So now I'm going to cover the cornrow that we made in the middle right there, okay? Those connections that we made, I'm going to connect. I'm going to cover it all with the crochet head, pass it through in between, okay? Those cornrows, in between those cornrows, each one of those cornrows, that's how I pass through the crochet needle. Pass through each one of those in between to cover it. And, that sums up the hair. And of course, we did the side part of it, of course, off the camera, but this is pretty much it. And if you wanted to not do the side part, this is just what you're going to do. Cover the cornrows and then you're done. Okay. But again, I did most of the rest of it off camera, so I don't bore you with so much video and stuff like that. So, but again, this is the final look, and just adding some mousse to help bring out the colors and pop it and spray it down. And that's pretty much it. We're done.
Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Alright, so we've come to the end of this video. We want to say thank you for all the love shown to us this whole year. And this hair is popping as well. If you have stayed this long, we want to say thank you, and please do us a favor. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to our channel, like, and turn on your notification bell for more videos like this. And
Jingle
here is
all
our
the
queen, a beautiful
way.
client. She is
Oh,
looking
what
good,
fun
gorgeous, and
it
ready to
is to
slay.
ride in
Again,
a
thank you again for
one-horse
slaying with us throughout
open
this whole year.
sleigh.
And until next time, stay
Jingle
fabulous and
bells,
happy holidays.